Hello everyone. Next we are going to take a high ponytail, dividing it into 3 parts and then taking the hair from sides and then passing it through the middle one till this braid is formed. After that we're gonna secure the braid by using a rubber band and giving it a heart effect at the end. At last applying a clip underneath this. Next we are going to take all of our hair and then making a ponytail. Then we are going to pass it through itself once. After that we are going to take all of the hair and then securing it with a simple clutcher. Next to our high ponytail, we are going to make a braid at the top by taking some part of it, and then again we are going to make a braid from the bottom hair. After that we are going to take the rest of the remaining hair and start making a loose braid by twisting them together again and again and then tying them up with this different colored rubber bands. After it is done, we're gonna secure it by using a final rubber band and your simple yet beautiful hairstyle is completed. Next we are going to take hair from one side and then we are going to make a simple small ponytail with this rubber and then again repeating the same step 5 times. After it is done, we are going to join all of the ponytails together with the help of these rubber bands by dividing them into 2 parts only, again till the one part is left. After that we're gonna join that last part with the ponytail at the other side and then we are going to fold that into a bun.